Welcome to Orlando International Airport. So we grab one of these tickets. Where you headed, Terminal C?
Yeah.
Let's go to New York. Go Akatala Martin. Boy, where you going? What are you going to do down there? So you're going to New York for eat food? Eh? Oi,
What?
you thinking nothing else to do in New York?
No, I'm gonna eat food. You left house and come all the way airport. Feet pasta, really?
I had a flight. It's delayed. It was supposed to leave at 7:05.
Now 11 till 8 o'clock.
So,
And now what time?
5.
Where do the airport so early? How you walk? Huh? Hey, how you walk?
You wanna know?
It must be good if me get an answer.
Try it. Is it worth $21?
No.
So you left home to come and eat at the airport?
No, you left house to come and eat to the airport, not me. Me just a sample your food when you get.
And then you make fun of me.
Oh, look over there. Mm-hmm.
Where you going?
New York. Where's that hat today, Nick?
Hey, sir.
Oh. Hey, sir, Nick. one right there?
Yeah, this is Evander Charles High School in Gun Hill Road.
So this is where you used to go to?
Yeah. This is where I got all the Jamaican in me.
So we just go in the school or under the school?
Let's go by the park one day.
Oi, where?
Royal Coach.
Where do that?
Eat some breakfast, pancakes and eggs. Yeah, what's up? Hi, good morning. Welcome to Royal Coach. I'll be your servant here today. My name is Kenny. Here you go, ma'am.
Why you always wearing sunglasses when you surf people?
Listen, the eggs are sunny side up, okay?
Aki and saltfish with fried cassava. Can't go wrong. Oi, what you got there?
Same thing you got. Aki, like cassava.
How you walk?
Come check them out. Royal Coach in the Bronx, on the road.
What you get, Barty, girl?
I got the Hungry Man special. It's French toast, pancakes, bacon, scrambled eggs, ham, and a pork sausage.
What? What you get a star, girl? Oh, you get the same thing?
Same thing with you and Kenny.
When you're in the Bronx, make sure you check out this breakfast spot. Royal Coach. Good food. I have American, Latin, Caribbean, and Southern specialties.